What's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Edible Fitness. Today we are making coconut mango muffins. Great for the morning, great when you're on the go. It's great to get started. But wait, before you watch the rest of this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, let's go. First, we're gonna start with the mango and the coconut milk. So we're just gonna blend that up. I do it a little differently because I'm using the mango chunks. So I'm gonna add those to a blender and I just want something smooth. So I'm gonna purify that with the coconut milk and then it's gonna get added to everything else. So just add that to the blender. Nothing else, keep it simple. And then we'll just blend these together. Right, so that is done. We're gonna add it to the other wet ingredients. I swear we're not making a smoothie, I promise. They are muffins. They are delicious. Why was my S so long in that?
Delicious.
Delicious. All right, so with a whisk, we're gonna add the coconut milk. Did I say coconut milk? The almond milk to that. I still have a couple of chunks of mango, but you know what? I am more than okay with that. Then, if you're not a fan of eggs, or you can't eat eggs, or you just don't want to eat eggs, you can use flaxseed. So 1 tablespoon of flaxseed to 3 tablespoons of water will give you the same equivalent to 1 egg. So I'm gonna add that. There's my egg. Along with those, I'm also going to add in my oil. Once I've mixed all of this up, then I'm going to add the lime juice. But I'm going to wait till I move on to the dry portion, which is what we're going to do right now. All right, so we're going to start with the brown sugar first because I'm not actually going to sift the whole wheat, but I do want to sift the brown sugar so that you're not getting any huge chunks once they melt in the oven. I mean, some people like that. I'm not the biggest fan, but you know, once in a while it's all right, but let's just sift it through. Whatever's left behind, you can save that for something else or work it all the way through. All right, now that we've got the brown sugar, we're gonna add in our whole wheat. Like I said, I'm not gonna bother sifting that. The baking powder, cinnamon, and salt, along with the coconut. Mix this up thoroughly. Okay, now that that's done, we're gonna move back to the wet ingredients. I'm gonna add the lime juice to the mixture. Give that one last stir and add it to the dry. All right, that is looking perfect. We are done with that, and we're gonna add them to the cups that I have right over there. Put them in the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes, and then it's time to eat. have to give these a try. They smell so amazing. Great, like I said, for the morning, gotta give them a try, but before you do, don't forget, like I said before, to hit that like button, comment below, tell me what you thought of these. Subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload awesome new smelling videos just like this one. I'm gonna go have a couple of these, and I will see you next time, right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye!